This is the Samsung A26, and in this video we will make our first look on this smartphone. Like we are seeing, the Samsung A26 will be with a different design, and it's very beautiful. Samsung will provide us a Super AMOLED screen with Full HD resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. We will have also a 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging. The processor equipped in this phone will be the Exynos 1380, a 5nm processor with a good performance. The main camera of the Samsung A26 will be with 108 megapixels, and we should wait the phone experience to know whether the camera is good or not. And this is the all information I get for the Samsung A26. I hope you all enjoyed the video.